I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Back up anything important now and stop active writes to the SSD. Next, identify the exact model and current firmware so you can download the right vendor diagnostic utility. Connect the drive directly to SATA when possible or use a reliable USB adapter. This reduces false errors. Then run a smart read to capture health metrics and note reallocated sectors, wear level, and remaining life. Once done, you'll know whether to attempt software repair or proceed to cloning. You now perform the heavier fixes. Run the manufacturer full diagnostic, and if available, apply a vetted firmware update. Firmware can resolve controller bugs. If the OS won't mount the partition, run chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Linux to repair file system structures. When reads are failing, clone the drive to a healthy target with ddresq to recover as much data as possible. That protects evidence before destructive fixes. Finally, issue a trim or refresh pass if the SSD accepts commands to reclaim blocks and improve behavior. You finish by deciding whether to keep or replace the SSD. If diagnostics improve, perform a secure erase or low-level initialize, reinstall the OS, and restore verified backups. After restoration, monitor smart and drive responsiveness for 48 to 72 hours to confirm stability. If errors reappear or smart worsens, prepare an RMA or replace the drive. Do not reuse a failing SSD for critical storage. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent detection occurs, test with a different cable, port, and power source before assuming permanent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.